And hello YouTube! So we are back at the Nurburgring, and this is not just a weekend, and by the way, happy Easter to everybody, but as I hinted at in a recent reel, I have relocated myself and PIRAS Motorsport to the Nurburgring Nordshleife. This means that we can encounter easier and in a more easy way, and that we are opening also a workshop here. This will give us the possibility of working on our own and your cars and on the development of products every day, and so we can get a much better consistency. But we have been very busy in this period, not just moving down here, but also working on the GR Corolla Intake, that by the way is ready and now in production, and very soon I will open up the sales for it. Yes, I wanted to triple check everything this time. And the GR Corolla brake cooling kit that with the new fixing system that we invented. Okay, it's a fixing system that we did invent from nothing, but it used zip ties. That is something that I was not happy with in general. But in this occasion, I find a way to make it work very, very well. And the same way that Audi is doing it on some of their RS cars and Porsche is doing it. So this is gonna be fine. And regarding the Yaris, also we are producing a new batch of air intakes now that have got some mild upgrades. Because always on all our products, the metal brackets now will be laser cut with our logo etched and engraved, and also lightened a bit in the weight. Not a big difference, but hey, it's cool to see. And on the other side, we have still done some minor upgrades, like a little slot where to put the cable of your MAF sensor, and all little things that are refining and respecting the level of the product that I wanted for PIRAS Motorsport. So we're going to also come forward with various other products. And of course now it's going to take us about a month to set up shop, but you can already contact me directly if you want to have a trip here at the Nurburgring Nordshleife, because we can organize and do some driving experiences together and whatever suits you. Also rental of the car, if before you get some time on the track with me, of course. So this was just a quick update today, and I'm gonna come back to you in the next days to show you the workshop in its, present phase and state. That is needs a lot of work to get that done, but potential is huge, and now we are much closer. I love Gran Canaria, and I shout out to all my friends in Gran Canaria that are already organizing to come up here in May, and we're gonna have a great time together. Thank you.